Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com doing my analysis. It's Wednesday evening, second session of my 2 session per week video updates. This is NUGT that you have before you on the daily time frame. As if I zoom down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we did have a little bit of an interesting start with the contract rollover recently, and we've been kind of trending up and trying to break above this 3750, 3780 level at the top here, around 38. But we would see a little bit more upside to this 37 level, and then potentially going back down towards the end of the week to close near this uptrend line here. Going back to the daily time frame, it's a little bit less cluttered to see. You can see here that we have bounced off here and resisted to get back above this uptrend line, and now kind of dwindling between my moving averages here. So the price did bounce off 31.87, and we are looking to push higher to about 37 or so. I would see that as solid resistance at this point in time, so I would not be looking to take a long position here. Maybe not even a short position, but I would just be looking to see what happens until I have a better idea of where to place the trade. But in general, I'd be saying that we're going to look to go about 37 or so. We have to break and close above this 50-period simple moving average if price is going to gain any upwards momentum. We have obviously a lot of resistance here with these trend lines and this cross occurring here. So I would say that price towards the end of the week will kind of dwindle lower, down to this $32 level and potentially down a little bit lower. But we do have some strength in the market overall, and I wouldn't be looking to take a position here yet. I would like to see price kind of maintain a sideways action before taking a position. So maybe a little bit of an upside bias, but downside bias, your risk reward on a trade like this, it would have to be pretty, good for you as far as like a scalp trade or something. But other than that, I'm not really interested in taking a position here. So on a lower time frame, 4-hour, you can see here 37 seems to be the level to watch as the major area of supply, and then potentially seeing price dwindle towards this level around 30 or so to close out the week. So that's what I'll be looking for. Let me go ahead and load up GDX for you. Okay, and as you can see here, GDX, the miners index, which NUGT derives its value from, more of the same thing. You have instead here on the 4-hour time frame the 200 period simple moving average, and we have been holding above this 50 period simple moving average here, denoted by the black line. So maybe a little bit of upside bullishness, but in general, I would see that price wouldn't really penetrate this level at around 23.40 or so. So in other words, I would not be taking a trade, but watching to see if we can maintain some type of sideways to an upwards biased move here. So if we could potentially see price maintain this level here, even if we didn't break above here, but we did in fact, maintain this 200 period simple moving average, or develop some kind of support around 22.90, that would be a bullish case in my opinion. So